Don't leave attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is definitely a very exciting moment in a dancehall music history. We are days away from the biggest dancehall album since the dawn of this decade. More features than an iPhone 20, viewers and subscribers, from artists to producers and engineers. The name on the list plenty. Now, Monday, viewers and subscribers, has been confirmed also as the date that the lawyers will return and get official request papers stamped so that the matter can be taken to international courts. Viewers and subscribers, the release of the boss is guaranteed, viewers and subscribers. Freedom is a must. We not stop saying it. There are naysayers out there. We will not listen to them. The album a drop. Tell them to go listen to the tracks. The artists are speak facts. Grammy for dancehall music. It is needed. Now, people are wondering, what does this mean by the lawyers returning to court to seek the request? Now, all things must be stamped and documented. These are legal matters, as so legal proceedings work. They stamp them off of the day. Certain things have to get signed. All the T's have to be crossed. All the I's have to be dotted. You know what I mean? Them have to deal with it. Are just the matters. Moving forward, locally, we will have, change of counsel. This has nothing to do with, you know what I mean, our interpretations of what is taking place. These are facts. Now, internationally, we will also have international representation, as well, as I pointed out in our previous vlog, viewers and subscribers. So we are saying simply that the request is guaranteed and the teachers' matters will be moving forward as expected. Now, fans, well-wishers, of course, Vybz Kartel and all other co-accused have been waiting patiently for courts to reopen, and courts have reopened locally and also internationally. So this is why this news is now being brought forward to your ears, viewers and subscribers. So freedom is a must. The album will drop. Make sure you have your pre-ordered copy. Make sure you plan to go grab your copy if you not have your pre-ordered copy already. Now, Quada will also be returning, viewers and subscribers, to court as well. As you know, he get granted $500,000 bail. You know what I mean? And they're on the road with Papi doing thing. So he may go return to as well, viewers and subscribers. As you know, these situations, we don't wish them for nobody. If you have a discrepancy with a person, you know our methods, how we handle our business. We don't wish the bars and nobody. So, you know what I mean? Freedom is a must for all who are facing situations like this, viewers and subscribers. You know there's something. Go talk to me in the comment section. Dancehall definitely excited at this moment in time, viewers and subscribers. Some people are saying why this matter take place now during the time, and you know what I mean? Albums and things like that we are dealing with. At the same time, you have to remember, we have no specific control over court proceedings. Unlike when they can go schedule a time to go see the doctor. So I don't know matters like that. Remember, you have a backlog at this place. So when them tell you say you have that date, your date, you can't miss it. That's how you know don't miss court date. So, you know what I mean? Them say that date there, and that is the date. So we have to just work with it, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? At that moment in time, we will be in celebratory mode though, because the album are there. The song them are there for hear them. The song them are there. And of course, yes, you know what I mean, we have been privileged to hear certain things, but that is besides the point. When it drop, everybody can hear the reactions from the fans. The people can start to talk about it, and you know what I mean? Yeah, remember, Grammys are set for 2021. Just a point out, there are some people, they don't really that made even Grammy for dancehall until the teacher mentioned the word Grammy in the dancehall industry. It has been since Sean Paul and Beanie and Shabba they shag it. You know what I mean? Who consider themselves dancehall artists when it is convenient. You know what I mean? Nah, say nothing bad about that, but when it is convenient, you know what I mean? You don't know what they would say. Shaggy with Sting, and I never dancehall and whatever genre of music Sting do. It was more of a reggae vibe. Think about it. Beanie, when him say King of the Dancehall, to tell the truth, the album was titled King of the Dancehall, but tonight he win the Grammy for. But you know what I mean? Think about it. At the same time, Sean Paul at the same time, when him drop Team album, when he did win the Grammy for. At the emergence of that crossover sound, a majority of the song them they hit at the crossover feeling, just pointing that out. Said there's nothing about the fusion sound, it other sound will carry dancehall into the future. Shabba, hardcore dancehall style win in a them time. Since then, we have never seen that done. So, to see an artist that decides, say, yo, we're going to make that move. Because as a genre, we need that recognition once more. At this point in time, majority of musical fans outside them look on the numbers, the statistical numbers. When we talk about Jamaican music or reggae, or the name mean mentioned. When we talk about contributions and style, and when we say them go build a rhythm or them go feature somebody, then that is when dancehall is mentioned. So when we talk about the numbers and accreditations, dancehall is not being mentioned in the same breath as reggae. Because for one, enough artists not put out albums. We don't have enough producers who have won Grammys for dancehall works. Majority of even local producers or whoever you want to call them, engineers, who have won Grammys recent times. I think them did collaborate with a reggae artist, and think about it, it has to be that because no dancehall artist has won a Grammy. So for them, they are yard, and them a produce music. When them produce both reggae and dancehall, if them name upon nothing attached to anything saying Grammy, it's because them work with a reggae artist. So think about that. I definitely food for thought, something that should be mentioned. Definitely something that should be mentioned, viewers and subscribers. Think about it. So for the teacher, I say, watch, we're going to make that movie, you know. And here we want to do. We want to bring it home for dancehall. Yeah, we want to bring it home for dancehall music. Because this big for dancehall music. This I show this say. Because even among artists themselves, ask anybody. Even among artists, they will always say, we never talk about international success. It is always, if you can join a genre of music locally because you want to get to the wider world at large, people are ready to say, yo, become a reggae artist then. Notice as soon as reggae artists start to do music and people start to gravitate to it, you see them all over the world. In a dancehall music, you might see them in certain places in specific because there are certain regions who, you know, support dancehall music. I will not talk in the Caribbean diaspora. We are talking about places like, yes, you will see them in England. You might see them in Europe depending on the type of artist and the type of music. Such is not the case of Tamil Sparta. But for majority of dancehall artists are Canada, England, and North America who get the visa. And specific states in North America as well. Vybz Kartel always point out to New York. The place to support dancehall music. You know what I mean? We don't have a list places because different artists pop up at different venues. You know what I mean? You don't know the Connecticut crowd low to see me and, you know, different places. But at the same time, it's not that worldwide dominance like I would say reggae will have. So as well, a very legendary reggae artist did say, there's a lot of work to be done. Oh gosh, you know, the promised land of dancehall music viewers and subscribers. So the teacher take the initiative, and I think it should be supported by the industry. Yeah, I feel like the industry did smart. They would support this initiative, especially a producer, an artist, or a record label who not have no artist where make them move. Yeah? Think about it. The bigger the genre, the more lucrative it is for all involved. Everybody were involved. If more patrons show up at the venue, the stage show, the dance, then even the people who are sell soup at the gate are gonna make more money. Even the taxi we are bring the people in to and from are gonna make more money. Think about it, a food for thought. Vice the one called Jaden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you know. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Yeah, man, now move settings fam, I wanna need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and George is wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.